Hi friends, for our math journal today we're going to do addition up to 5. So I'm going to remember that the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay friends, now for this one we're actually going to cut and glue as well. So we have several different steps. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut off the numbers at the bottom. So my sums, I'm going to cut those off at the bottom. All right, my friends, so I'm cutting out my sums, and then I'm going to look, I'm going to count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, plus 1. Now I'm going to add them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. So I'm going to take my glue stick cap off. I'm going to put just a dot, not a lot, and I'm going to glue on the number 4. So I have 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 flowers plus 1 equals 4. You're going to do the same for the rest. Now, look right here on the next one. I have 2 umbrellas plus 0. So I would write 2 plus 0. So you're going to think, how many do you have? All right, my friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. So count, write how many, and then glue the sum.